So here's the fact about AI. Most people are either lost, confused, or just using it wrong. They're using it like Google, and they're not really quite sure where to go. Everyone's offering courses and memberships. But is anyone actually building anything that they could profit from, that they can make money from? So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two things that I'm doing to build income using AI, and it's something that you can do as well. So let's get started. If you like this information, if you like AI and you like learning how to make money, then this is the channel for you. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is I'm building an interactive mystery solving program for children ages 7 to 13. It's called Minnesota Jackson. Now you need some creative storytelling ideas in order for you to make this happen, but it's absolutely something anybody can do. And here's what's cool about it. It's really giving an ability for children to solve mysteries, to learn a little bit about critical thinking and science. And also it's giving them like a moral lesson at the end of each mystery. So I create these mysteries using AI, build the project, and then I sell that project on my website. So if you go to minnesotajackson.com, you can check it out. It's really cool. They're really cheap. You get a series of 5 mysteries for your children to solve. That's one way that I could sell it. You could sell it on a website, you could sell it on Etsy, you could sell it as a download. However you sell it, you can market it at anyway. This is just a really unique way for me to create projects. I love to write, I love to tell stories, and now instead of writing books, I'm able to create an interactive system for these children. Now the second way I'm using AI to build an income stream is by creating projects that are useful to people, that they can access, interact with, personalize, and customize inside of Claude AI. These are called projects, and I have all kinds of projects. Now my passion is personal development. I really love helping people learn and grow internally, introspectively, and think with their brain. So I build projects. I have, I think, 12. We're gonna have about 30 in the queue pretty soon. Anywhere from the mindset project, which you can actually download for free, to manifestation, to shadow work, to the Stoic journal, confidence project, an entire astrology project. And if you haven't seen that video on how powerful the astrology project is, I'll leave a link somewhere, or click on the video. You could watch that. The Guardian project, which is a project for parents and loved ones that have someone that they love that's addicted, on how to handle and manage that, something that's close to my heart. The USMC project for young women and men that are about to join the United States Marine Corps, what they can expect from week 1 to week 13, including an entire fitness and prep series, all of this stuff. It's interactive. This entire system is built and is for sale and is making me money. By what I'm doing is I'm using AI to build something. So instead of just building AI agents, instead of just taking courses and memberships, I'm even doing this for other people. So now I have coaches, and I have creators, and I have therapists, and I have people that are interested in getting their own projects. Maybe they have their own version of a manifestation project. Maybe they have their own version of fitness, of health, they go through, maybe they have a psychology program. We build these systems through 3 ways. 1, we provide an extensive interview. 2, we connect them with a coach that's gonna kind of nail down what exactly they want to deliver for their client inside of AI. And then 3, we have the designers, which includes me and some other people that design the actually prompting and the coding that creates the files and the formulas and the curriculum and the database that they can then sell and offer to their clients. Super powerful. That's a 3rd income stream. Then the 4th income stream that I have is I teach other people how to do this. This is the future. If you're not in front of it, you're going to get left way behind. It's not just learning about AI and how to use the tool. But I teach how to make money with the tool, how to use AI to make money. So I hope that I helps you kind of think outside the box. If you want more information on this, we have if you're a coach or a therapist and want your own project, we have a done for you system. If you want to learn about making money this way, or you want to just try one of these projects, you're welcome to just go to trippmehew.store, or you can download that free book called The Axiom Protocol. It's available on Amazon, or any link around here. Anyway, if you like this information about AI, about making it money with AI, then I encourage you to like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because we've got a lot of really cool things coming. And yeah, if you have any questions, reach out. I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace. Aloha.